I like the artsy side of it. I like not just, it's just not a PC. My name's Garrett Collier. Started working at Performance PCs about 7 years ago, pulling orders for the business.
Are you rolling already?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's go for it.
My name's Henry Barron, but I go by Hank since a young age. Henry's formal, but everybody knows me as Hank. He wanted us to sell their product in the U.S., and so that started the whole water cooling business for us. When we formed a company, when we started doing the sleeving of the power supplies, I forgot to mention that I'm the actual inventor of the modular power supply.